Canada's pension system is going through some significant updates in 2025, and if you're a senior or planning for retirement, these changes could directly affect your financial future. The Government of Canada is adjusting the Old Age Security, commonly known as OAS, and the Guaranteed Income Supplement, or GIS, to better reflect the needs of aging Canadians in today's economic environment. These updates are part of a broader effort to make retirement more secure, fair, and responsive to the rising cost of living. One of the key changes in 2025 involves an increase in the OAS benefit amounts. OAS is a monthly payment available to most Canadians who are 65 years of age or older. It is not income-based, meaning that anyone who meets the age and residency requirements is eligible, regardless of their income level. In 2025, the government plans to increase the monthly OAS payments to help seniors better cope with inflation and the increasing costs of housing, healthcare, and everyday essentials. While the exact amount of the increase will vary depending on inflation data and policy adjustments, it is expected to be a noticeable raise compared to previous years. Another important change relates to the age eligibility and automatic enrollment. In 2025, efforts are being made to simplify the enrollment process so that eligible seniors are automatically enrolled in OAS without having to go through a lengthy application. This is especially helpful for people who may not be fully aware of their entitlements or those facing language or mobility barriers. By improving the automatic enrollment system, the government hopes to reduce the number of eligible seniors who miss out on their benefits simply because they didn't apply. The Guaranteed Income Supplement, or GIS, which is designed to support low-income seniors, is also receiving attention. GIS is an additional monthly benefit for those who already receive OAS and have little or no other income. In 2025, the income thresholds for GIS eligibility are being updated, which means more seniors could qualify for this extra support. This update reflects the reality that living costs have gone up significantly, and the old income limits were no longer sufficient. By adjusting these thresholds, the government aims to ensure that no senior has to choose between paying rent and buying groceries. Another new development in the 2025 plan is targeted support for single seniors, especially women. Statistics show that single seniors, particularly women, are more likely to live in poverty compared to couples. To address this gap, the GIS top-up for single individuals is being increased, offering more support to those who need it most. This change is expected to help reduce poverty rates among elderly women and ensure more financial stability in their retirement years. In addition to benefit increases, there's also a push to improve access and outreach. Many seniors, particularly in rural or marginalized communities, don't receive the full benefits they're entitled to due to lack of information or difficulty navigating government systems. In 2025, the government is funding more outreach programs, online tools, and support services to make sure seniors are aware of what they can claim and how to do it easily. This includes multilingual support and more user-friendly websites and helplines. It's also important to note that the changes in 2025 are part of a larger, ongoing pension reform strategy. As the Canadian population continues to age and more people enter retirement, the pension system must evolve to meet the growing demand. Policymakers are considering the long-term sustainability of OAS and GIS and how to keep these programs financially viable while still expanding support. Some experts are calling for even broader reforms, including indexing benefits more closely to real-time inflation, introducing flexible retirement age options, and integrating pension benefits with other provincial supports. If you're approaching retirement or already receiving benefits, now is the time to review your eligibility and stay informed. You can visit the official Canada.ca website to use the OAS and GIS calculators, see the most recent updates, and check whether you're receiving the full amount you qualify for. It's also a good idea to speak to a financial advisor or retirement planner to understand how these changes could impact your personal situation. These 2025 changes are a step in the right direction, aiming to make life more affordable and secure for Canadian seniors. As always, it's essential to stay updated, ask questions, and take advantage of all the tools and resources available to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on pensions, retirement planning, and financial tips tailored to Canadians.